Good morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly and happy Friday. I'm Hannah.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
First, we are having our very first rally of the year today in the gym during third period. Your teacher will let you know which rally your class will be attending. Check out the schedule for today and remember no backpacks are allowed in the gym. The HHS counseling staff is pleased to announce that Friday, 9:20 during lunch, they will be hosting their second annual HHS College Fair. Teachers, check out your emails if you would like to help out.
It's time for a commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
Hola Scots, Poder brings you the Hispanic Heritage Fact of the Day. Did you know that the Hispanic Heritage Month is celebrated in the United States each year from September 15 to October 15? To celebrate the integral contributions the Latino community has had in growing and strengthening our democracy. This time frame is significant because it covers the dates that many Central American countries celebrate the anniversary of the independence. September 15, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. September 16, Mexico. September 18, Chile. September 21st, Belize. More daily facts and a door contest are to come in celebration.
Welcome back.
It's time for sports.
Ball game, okay? You guys are the visiting team, so you get to call the coin toss. I'm going to hand this coin over to... Hand off to Austin Hernandez up the middle. Valdez rolls to his right, looking to throw. Pass batted down by Frank Wright, intercepted by number 51. Roman rolls. Looking to pass. That's one go over the middle. Catch by number 18, Johnny Brucker. Looking for Brucker. Puts the best right.
Welcome to Sports, I'm Ja.
Hey Scott, I'm Julian Medina.
Let's get into sports announcements for this week.
The football team has a away game at Kingsburg.
We have Raquel interviewing some football players about the big game happening tonight.
Hey Scott, I'm Raquel, and today I'm here with...
Johnny Brucker.
What position do you play?
I play receiver and strong safety.
Why do you like playing football?
I don't know. I just love the game.
How do you feel about this week's game?
I feel like it's going to be our toughest game, but I think we got it.
And now I'm here with...
Preston Mendez.
What position do you play?
Quarterback.
Why do you like playing football?
I don't know, just because it's fun. That's about it.
How do you feel about this week's game?
I think it's going to go great, and we're going to win, most definitely.
Both water polo teams are doing great. They're the most skilled teams Highland has ever had in the short history of the sport at our school. Boys are pumped about their last win against Centennial, and girls are about to win against Nipomo High School. But we are definitely looking forward to this league this year and can't wait to play some more in-town teams.
Remember, Scots, if you want to play a sports here at Highland, stop by the athletics office anytime.
That's it for sports today.
Thank you, guys.
Check out this video.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us.
Hey Scots, I'm Roxana. I'm Gabby. This week's question is, who do you prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
I'm here with
Tati.
Who do you prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick.
And why?
Drake's a weirdo. Kendrick on top.
Okay, today I'm here with
Alyssa.
And Giselle.
And who do you guys prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick.
Kendrick.
And why?
His lyrics are better.
Yeah, I definitely think his lyrics and the music is better. Okay, I'm here with
Ruby. Marky.
Who do you guys prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Drake.
Drake. And why?
Cause he's just better and Drake has way more better songs than Kendrick does.
Okay.
Vote Marky for Homecoming Queen.
Okay, today I'm here with
Landon.
Octavia.
And who do you guys prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
I prefer Drake.
Drake.
And why?
I think he's the greatest artist of this generation.
I agree, he's pretty good.
Okay, I'm here with
Tino Calloway.
Who do you prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick Lamar, come on now.
Why?
Cause he a poet for real. He like one of the best out there.
Amber. Lily. Who do you guys prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick.
Kendrick. And why?
Oh, he's better.
He's better.
Okay, today I'm here with
Simon.
And who do you prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick.
Why?
He's better.
Okay, I'm here with
Mr. Romero.
Who do you prefer, Kendrick or Drake?
Kendrick.
Why?
Swimming pools.
Hey guys, if you're a Kendrick Lamar fan, you should get this shirt from the drama program here at Highland. Dedicated to this song, Not Like Us. Plus, are you a Harry Potter fan as well and want to represent your favorite house? Check out these shirts. Stop by Mr. Thompson if you have any questions about getting a shirt.
That's it for today.
And thank you for watching.
And always remember to plaid up.